Alright guys, so we are almost there. We have our home page, we have our resume, we have our work. Now we want to deal with the contact. So let's go back up to the navigation, to the port items, and it's this last one here. We're going to add on data toggle, set it to collapse, and then data target. We'll set it to hash contact. Alright, and then we'll go and create our collapsible section. Okay, we'll go right above the footer. Okay, give it an ID of contact and a class of collapse. Okay, so in here, again, we're going to do our card body, and let's also do a BG danger. Okay, we're going to make it red. We're going to make text white, and we're going to do PY5. In here, we'll put an H2. We'll just say contact. Let's put some words in here. And then under that card, we're going to create another one. Okay, this is also going to have a class of PY5. We're going to put an H3. We'll say get in touch. Paragraph with some text. And then we're going to have a form. Okay, so let's say form. We don't need an action. Inside this form, let's put a form group. And inside the form group, we're actually going to use an input group. So let's say input dash group. I'm going to make it a large one as well. So I'm going to do dot input group dash LG. Okay, that'll make it a large input group. So this will have a span with the class of input dash group dash add-on. And let's also give it a class of BG danger. I'm going to make it red. And then also the class of text white. And then in this span tag, I'm going to put an icon with the class of FA and FA dash user, because this is going to be for the name. So under the span, let's put in our input class of form control. Let's also give it a class of BG dark and text white. Alright, we'll also give it a placeholder, and we'll say name. Alright, so let's save that, go to contact, and there we go, there's our first input. So let's copy the entire form group. We're going to paste it in 2 more times. The second one is going to be the email, so we're going to change, let's change the icon to an envelope. And we'll change the placeholder to email. We'll change the type to email as well. Alright, and then this last one here, this is going to be for the message. I'm going to change the icon to pencil. We're going to change the input to a text area, which needs to have a closing tag. And then placeholder will say message. Alright, let's also give it a rows class of 5. And then we just need a submit. So let's go under the final form group, which is right here. We'll say input. Let's do type submit. We'll say value equals submit. Give it a class of BTN danger. Let's do BTN block, and let's do BTN LG. And we'll save. And there we go, there's our form. So that's it, guys. That's it for this project, this theme. It's pretty simple. I think it's pretty unique, seeing as we're using the collapse for all of the pages. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Let's take a look at mobile view. Looks good. Okay, this stuff still works. Okay, there's our images. There's our contact form. Good. All right, so like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed not only the project, but hopefully you enjoyed this entire course. I know it was really, really long, but I wanted to touch on, all the points of Bootstrap 4, all the new utilities, all the classes, and give you some real projects to work with. So I sincerely hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully I will see you in my next course.